We're on the early bird to off to Maya Bay. We're up early, so we'll get there before the crowds, because apparently it does get busy. So we're off to our boat now. About 6:20 in the morning.
Sunrise. Off to Maya Bay. Look at that sunrise.
Maya Bay, here we come! Maya Bay now. So we get up. Look at the colour of that water. Go it. Go on. Got a really looking forward to this. It's where they filmed the beach. Leonardo DiCaprio. I've been wanting to come here for about 20 years. This is where I should put the music in, innit? At Moby or Pure Shores, All Saints. I've left them. Brilliant, man. You definitely best come early in the morning, because by dinner time this footway is rammed. So we come up half past 6. There's a few boats here, but oh, my bay, can't wait. I can see it.
This is good.